The frost clings to the chapel stone. Whispers rise where the river's grown. 1,000 steps on cobbled ground, but none will find the echoes found. Winter in Oxford, the air so still. Time walks the spires, bends to its will. The bells, they call, but the wave won't heed. Winter in Oxford, it draws me near.